Alright, so this video is basically to stress how important it is that you vacuum everything before you clean it. And I know a lot of my videos lately, I don't record the vacuuming because it's tedious and eats up time. And when you've got 2 or 3 jobs a day, it adds up. So I usually just don't record the vacuuming anymore, and I just go right into the pre-spray. But I do want to show you as to why it is very important that you do a pre-vacuum. This is a 11 by 12 rug. Clean this thing probably at least 2 times a year, sometimes more. I come and do this. I've got a very big dog that lives here and a couple cats. But the rug itself doesn't look that bad. This is our canister we're going to start with. And it's already full. So I'm going to go empty this. Oop, hold on, didn't get it all out. Sorry about that. Okay, so we are empty. Now we're going to vacuum the other way. Now you can see just vacuuming the other way, or it's full again. So you just see the amount of dry soil that you can get by just vacuuming. You know, it's a step that is overlooked quite often by a lot of carpet cleaners. So this is just to, in fact, you know what? We'll go over it one more time. Let's just show you it is empty again. Nothing. Probably not going to get that much more out of this, but just for the sake of the video, we'll go over it one more time. Yeah, that's the last one. Oh, you know, I got a little bit in here. But see, that is thoroughly vacuumed. As you can see, I mean, look at the amount of, it had 2 whole canisters full of dry soil. You know, and vacuum. All I gotta say, vacuum.